Have you ever had to jump on a last minute flight and suddenly realize you have no idea what actually needs to go into your personal item? Then this video is for you. Hello. I'm Rabbi and welcome to Rabbi Unfolded. On this trip, I had a quick domestic flight to catch, and while I was waiting at the airport, I decided to pull out my bag and show you exactly what I carry with me. The real essentials that get me through travel days. So if you've ever wondered what to pack, what to skip, or how to keep things simple but still functional, come take a peek inside my personal item with me. Okay, let me start with my little bag here. So first, my bag is Louis Vuitton Neverfull, and then I'll just show you what it's inside. In this little pouch here, I have in here my passport for sure, though I'm traveling domestic. I just always want to carry my passport with me wherever I go. Then in here, I also have my wallet, my card wallet. I have my cards in there. Just some Kleenex, an extra phone, and some cash. So I'll put all of those back here. Make sure everything stays organized. Okay. Then next, I have my power bank. I just always want to go around with it wherever I'm going. So next, I have my sanitary pad with me. I always have this handy. I take it everywhere I go. Just some extra Kleenex. Then in this little pouch here, I have some pens, my earrings, some Tylenol just in case. I have my rosary. Don't go anywhere without it. And then I have my dental floss with me in case I need it, right? Because why not? Okay, in this other little pouch here, I do have like my charger, my speaker, and then my earphones. Just have like the cables in there ready to go. And of course, I have a little notebook. I just always carry my book with me. You don't know what you can write, right? And again, I got some snacks. Always love to carry my snacks anywhere with me. Actually, lots and lots of snacks. I've got lots of snacks there. Then yeah, I have my glasses. And then I have my computer. I need it for work. My computer charger. Nothing there. An exercise book. And then some snacks for the flight attendants on the plane. You might always want to bring them something because when you do that, they feel happy. They might have a very busy day and they just want someone to brighten their day, right? So always bring a snack for the flight attendants on the plane. And yeah, some extra snacks there. So nothing really much. So these are just the essentials I need for a short flight. I'm traveling domestic, so I don't need like that much. So just the essentials of everything I need to go around with me in the flight. So that's what I have in my bag. I'm gonna go ahead and pack them back. So make sure I get everything back in its position where it was. Yeah, my charger is going back. It's okay. 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 I'll just keep this one on top. That way I don't put it right inside. So when I'm getting on the plane, I'll just easily take it out and give it to the flight attendants. So yeah, that's that in my bag. It's a very beautiful bag and it carries a lot, all the essentials I need for my flight and for my short trip. So if you want to see what I have in my carry-on, this is my personal item, right? If you want to see what I have in my carry-on, please do let me know and I'm going to do another video for what I have in my carry-on. By the way, if you're new to this channel, welcome to the channel. My name is Rabia. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of my weekly videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. You have no idea how much this means to me. I really do appreciate. Thanks so much. By the way, the tip I have for whenever I'm traveling is when you travel light, you travel well. There's no need carrying stuff all over the place. You see people getting on the plane with like so many bags here and there. They're struggling to hold your baggages. They're struggling to hold your coats, putting it all on there. If you travel light, you travel well and you don't have stress or anything. So the best thing is like check in all of your bags. Whatever you can check it in and only carry the essentials with you. That way you don't have to struggle around with so many luggages. Thanks for staying tuned to the end of this video. Please don't forget to like and share with someone you think might need to know what's in my travel bag with me or is planning on a trip that doesn't want to carry much and just wants a little stuff in their bag. Share it with them and let me know in the comment section below what you think I didn't add in my bag or what you think I added that you really liked. Thank you so much. Until next time, see you on the next episode of Rabia Unfold That. And please never forget, if you travel light, you travel well. Cheers. And see, the bag even fits in my carry-on so easily. I can roll it around very easily. Yeah.